if you want to get idea about new modern indoor plants decoration ideas. Indoor plants, you are at the right place, have become a key element in modern interior design. They not only add aesthetic appeal, but also improve air quality and promote a sense of well-being. Here are 83 innovative ideas for incorporating modern indoor plants into your home decor. 1. Vertical gardens. Install a vertical garden on a blank wall using modular plant systems. This can be a focal point in living rooms or offices. 2. Terrariums. Create mini ecosystems inside glass containers. Terrariums are perfect for small spaces and can be customized with various plants and decorative elements. 3. Succulent frames. Arrange succulents in a picture frame for a living piece of art that requires minimal maintenance. 4. Air plants on driftwood. Attach air plants to pieces of driftwood for a natural sculptural look that can be displayed on shelves or hung on walls. 5. Geometric planters. Use planters with geometric shapes and metallic finishes to add a modern touch to your plant displays. 6. Plant stands. Elevate your plants using sleek, minimalist stands made of metal or wood. 7. Window shelves. Install glass shelves in your windows to create a sunlit display for light-loving plants. 8. Clustered pots. Group several pots of different sizes and shapes together to create a lush, layered look. 9. Floating shelves. Add floating shelves on walls to display a variety of plants, creating a green gallery effect. 10. Plant ladder. Use a wooden ladder as a multi-tiered plant stand. This is great for displaying trailing plants. 11. Bookcase garden. Incorporate plants into a bookcase for a seamless blend of greenery and books. 12. Hanging glass globes. Hang glass globes filled with small plants like air plants or moss. 13. Plant bar cart. Repurpose a bar cart as a mobile plant display. This allows you to move your greenery around as needed. 14. Bonsai trees. Bonsai trees bring a touch of nature and art into your home with their sculptural forms. 15. Mounted staghorn ferns. Mount staghorn ferns on wooden plaques for a unique rustic wall display. 16. Herb gardens. Grow herbs in your kitchen using stylish pots or vertical planters for a practical and decorative touch. 17. Cascading plants. Use tall shelves or high plant stands to allow trailing plants to cascade down. 18. Planter benches. Integrate planters into bench seating for a functional and green seating solution. 19. Lighted planters. Use planters with built-in LED lights to highlight your plants and create mood lighting. 20. Minimalist pots. Choose simple monochrome pots for a clean, modern look. 21. Glass terrariums on stands. Elevate glass terrariums on metal stands for an elegant display. 22. Hanging garden in the bathroom. Add moisture-loving plants like ferns and orchids to your bathroom. 23. Plant partitions. Use large plants or plant stands to create natural room dividers. 24. Modern macrame. Hang plants in modern macrame holders with sleek designs. 25. Window boxes. Indoors. Install window boxes inside on sunny windowsills for a continuous green view. 26. Sculptural cacti. Use large sculptural cacti as statement pieces in your decor. 27. Tiered plant stands. Utilize tiered plant stands to display multiple plants in a compact space. 28. Suspended gardens. Create floating gardens by hanging planters from the ceiling. Use a mix of macrame hangers, sleek metal hooks, and modern ceramic pots to add an artistic touch to your interiors. 29. Vertical plant walls. Install living walls or vertical gardens using modular systems that allow for easy plant swaps and maintenance. This can serve as a vibrant focal point in living rooms or even office spaces. 30. Geometric planters. Opt for planters with geometric shapes such as hexagons, cubes, or pyramids. Metallic finishes in gold, copper, or matte black can add a sophisticated touch. 31. Glass terrariums. Use glass terrariums in unique shapes to house small plants. These can be placed on coffee tables, bookshelves, or hung using sturdy ropes. 32. Plant stands and shelves. Incorporate minimalist metal or wooden plant stands and floating shelves to display your greenery. These stands can elevate plants to different heights, adding depth to your decor. 33. Biophilic design elements. Integrate plants directly into furniture design. Think of benches with built-in planters, tables with green centers, or headboards with hanging plants. 34. Smart planters. Use technology-enhanced planters that come with self-watering systems, growth lights, and sensors to monitor plant health, making plant care easier and more efficient. 35. Indoor Zen gardens. Create mini Zen gardens with bonsai trees, moss, and small rocks arranged in shallow trays. These can be meditative focal points on desks or side tables. 36. Modern macrame. Update traditional macrame with sleek designs and monochromatic color schemes to hang plants in a modern boho style. 37. Plant cluster arrangements. Group plants of varying sizes and types together. Use pots of the same material but different sizes to create a cohesive yet dynamic look. 38. Hanging glass globes. Suspend small plants in glass globes from the ceiling or wall-mounted hooks. Air plants work particularly well in these settings due to their minimal soil requirements. 39. Bookshelf integration. Place plants strategically within your bookshelves to blend books and greenery seamlessly. Use trailing plants like pothos or ivy to cascade down the shelves. 40. Corner plant stations. Dedicate a corner of your room to a plant station with multiple levels of shelves or tiered plant stands to maximize vertical space. 41. DIY plant. Art. Create plant art by framing dried or preserved plants and flowers. These can be hung as living art pieces that bring a botanical touch without the need for maintenance. 42. Plant partitions. Use large plants or tall planters to divide spaces naturally. This can create a more organic feel compared to traditional room dividers. 43. Minimalist hanging rails. Install sleek minimalist rails on your walls from which you can hang a variety of small pots. This is ideal for herbs in the kitchen or trailing plants in the living room. 44. Eco-friendly planters. Choose planters made from recycled materials or sustainable resources like bamboo and cork. These eco-conscious choices can add a natural, earthy vibe to your decor. 45. Light up planters. Use planters with built-in LED lights to highlight plants and create mood lighting. These are especially effective in creating ambiance in the evening. 46. Color-coordinated pots. Match your plant pots to your interior color scheme. Whether you go for bold colors or neutral tones, this can tie the room together and highlight your plants. 47. Indoor water gardens. Create small indoor water gardens with aquatic plants like water lilies or lotus in shallow, wide containers. These can add a serene, reflective quality to your space. 48. Monochrome plant displays. Use all white or all black pots and planters for a sleek, modern look. The monochrome theme can make the green of the plants pop even more. 49. Floating window shelves. Install transparent glass shelves within your windows to place plants. This allows them to get plenty of light while creating a floating garden effect. 50. Innovative plant shapes. Sculpt your plants into unique shapes using topiary techniques. This can add a playful and artistic touch to your indoor garden. 51. Stacked planters. Use stacked planters to create a tiered garden on your balcony or patio. This is a great way to maximize space and create a lush, layered look. 52. Indoor plant stands with lights. Incorporate plant stands with built-in grow lights to ensure your plants get enough light even in darker corners of your home. 53. Seasonal plant displays. Change your plant displays with the seasons. Use spring bulbs in the spring, bright flowers in the summer, and evergreens in the winter to keep your decor fresh. 54. Plant terraces. Create terraced plant displays by using graduated shelves or steps. This can give a sense of depth and movement to your indoor garden. 55. Plant chandeliers. Install a chandelier made of cascading plants. This dramatic piece can be a stunning focal point in a dining room or entryway. 56. Modular plant systems. Use modular plant systems that can be reconfigured as needed. This flexibility allows you to change your plant arrangements easily. 57. Indoor herb gardens. Grow herbs in stylish pots or vertical planters in your kitchen. This not only looks great but also provides fresh herbs for cooking. 58. Retro revival. Incorporate retro planters and mid-century modern stands for a vintage feel. Pair these with classic indoor plants like snake plants or spider plants. 59. Custom plant containers. Design custom containers that match your interior design. Whether it's concrete, wood, or metal, custom containers can make a big impact. 60. Plant nooks. Dedicate a small nook or alcove in your home to a dense cluster of plants. This can create a lush, jungle-like corner. 61. Transparent planters. Use clear glass or acrylic planters to show off the root structure of your plants. This adds an educational and unique visual element. 62. Artistic plant. Stands. Choose plant stands that are works of art themselves. Sculptural stands can enhance the beauty of the plants they hold. 63. Upcycled planters. Repurpose old items like teapots, tins, or wooden crates as unique planters. This adds a quirky, personal touch to your decor. 64. Multi-purpose furniture. Use furniture that incorporates planters, such as tables with built-in plant holders or shelves that double as planters. 65. Kokedama. Display plants in kokedama, which are moss balls. These can be hung or placed on trays for a natural, rustic look. 66. Patterned pots. Choose pots with modern patterns like stripes, polka dots, or abstract designs to add a playful element to your plant displays. 67. Indoor bonsai trees. Bonsai trees bring a sense of peace and artistry into your home. Choose a variety that suits your light conditions. 68. Rotating plant displays. Use lazy Susans or other rotating displays to ensure all parts of your plant get equal light exposure. 69. Plant jewelry. Decorate your plants with small hanging ornaments or fairy lights to add a whimsical touch. 70. Hanging grids. Install a grid on your wall from which you can hang multiple small pots. This is perfect for creating a living wall without a lot of space. 71. Eco bricks planters. Use eco bricks, bricks made from recycled plastic bottles, to create custom planters that are both sustainable and stylish. 72. Living tables. Incorporate plants into coffee tables or side tables with built-in planters. This integrates greenery into your everyday furniture. 73. Customizable plant kits. Use plant kits that allow you to customize the look of your plants with different soils, decorative stones, and pots. 74. Hanging baskets. Use hanging baskets for trailing plants. These can be made from modern materials like metal or recycled plastic for a contemporary look. 75. Indoor greenhouses. Create small indoor greenhouses with glass panels and metal frames. These can house tropical plants that need higher humidity. 76. Framed plant art. Use frames to create a gallery wall of small plants. This can be a creative way to display multiple plants in a small space. 77. Suspended shelves. Hang shelves from the ceiling with sturdy ropes or cables. Place plants on these shelves for a floating garden effect. 78. Plant corners. Dedicate an entire corner of a room to plants. Use a mix of floor plants, hanging plants, and wall-mounted plants to create a lush, green corner. 79. Succulent gardens. Create gardens using various types of succulents. Use shallow dishes or planters to arrange these low-maintenance plants. 80. Transparent shelves. Use transparent acrylic or glass shelves to display plants. This makes the plants appear to float and doesn't distract from their beauty. 81. Plant curtains. Use trailing plants like ivy or pothos to create a living curtain in front of a window or doorway. 82. Multi-level plant stands. Use multi-level stands to create a tiered effect with your plants. 83. Hanging planters. Use macrame hangers or stylish ceramic pots to suspend plants from the ceiling, creating a floating garden effect.